And look like we're eating her. You're amazing. I've been there. I've been to Iowa. I've been to Iowa. Because spring break, baby. Spring break. And guess what? I'm not coming back. We're never coming back. Because we're going there to perform. We're freeloading on my brother. Yeah. Freeloading. We're on the streets. I hope he doesn't mind. Because he doesn't know me. But guess what? Shh, she's coming, but he doesn't know. I'm staying at his house. For maybe 4 days. 3. For sure. And he doesn't know me. Shh, top secret. Go to Iowa. You wanna know something? What? You wanna know something? I wanna know something. I wanna know something. I bet you do wanna know something. Like, what? Hold on. She wants to touch me. Don't trust her. She's out. I hate 303. They're horrible. They're awful.